What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. This is the gaming review of the Redmi Note 9S that I promised to do in my last video. And in my last video I did an unboxing and review of the Redmi Note 9S. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to put a link in the description and also a card above. You should check that out. In this video we're going to be taking a look at how the Redmi Note 9S stacks up against some popular games, and I'm going to be playing PubG, Call of Duty, PES 2020 and Asphalt 9. Before we get to the video, there are a few things you need to know about the Redmi Note 9S. The Redmi Note 9S is powered by a Snapdragon 720G processor and an Adreno 618 GPU. It also comes with a 5020 mAh battery, and in my 1 week of usage, the battery has been really impressive. It lasts for about 2 days on a single charge. Next would be the display. It comes with a 1080p IPS LCD display. It's not an AMOLED display, but the display is really great, especially when I'm watching videos on YouTube and Instagram. The colors are really great and punchy. Coming from a smaller display, I really liked and enjoyed using this larger display. Finally would be the camera. It's a 48 megapixel quad camera setup at the back, and the camera is really decent. The colors are great. I've been testing for a week now and I have a camera review coming very soon. I'm going to take a look at the Gcam and the stock camera to see the difference in the camera application. Before we get into the video, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click the bell button to get notifications when I post new videos. Doing that would encourage me to make videos like this and help the channel grow. Now let's get into the video. One app you can take advantage of while gaming on the Redmi Note 9S is the game Turbo. It allows you to add and run your favorite games in turbo mode. The game Turbo app automatically clears the RAM of unnecessary usage so I can have the best gaming experience. You can also set in-game shortcuts, change your homepage orientation from vertical to horizontal, give memory exception to some apps, as well as restrict button and gestures. In the additional settings option, you can also control the touch response, sensitivity, and touch resistance area. This would be helpful if you're playing games like Call of Duty where you need fast touch response. In this test, I started playing games when the battery was 97%. This is important because at the end we would see how much battery we lost while playing games. The first game I played was Asphalt 9, which is arguably my best game on mobile. We can see that the settings was set to very high quality, and I can see the Redmi Note 9S played through this game like a breeze. The second game which I played was Call of Duty. To get the max frame rate, which is 60 Hz, you have to keep the graphics quality at high. If you select very high graphics quality, you would be stuck at high frame rates. I guess you can have both. You either rob Peter to pay Paul. The gameplay was very smooth and fast, and here's what it looks like.
Get down, sniper! Taking the lead. Tied for the lead. Lost the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. Tied for the lead. Good shot. Target's in sight.
I decided to throw in some football and I tried the PES 2020, but somehow I didn't like the gameplay. I found it kind of slow and a bit sluggish. Well, I'll let you to decide for yourself. So what's a gaming test without playing the almighty PubG? Keeping the graphics quality and frame rate at high, the game plays smoothly. Finally, I had to get in on some NBA action. Same as other games, I used the high settings, and here's how the gameplay went. So that's it for the gaming test, guys. After using the phone for 21 hours and playing numerous games, I was left with 25%. With 8 hours screen on time, taking about 24%, Call of Duty took 5% for 2 hours of gameplay, which is quite decent. While PubG, PES20, Asphalt 9 and NBA took a total of 8% of the entire battery for a combined 5 hours of gameplay. So the question here is, how good is the Redmi Note 9S? And I would say it's really great. I'm quite impressed with the Redmi Note 9S. To last about 24 hours with heavy usage and handling games is quite impressive. Let me know what you think about the Redmi Note 9S in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Until next time, I am Mastercard. Peace.